Do you want some help?
I got it.
Got it?
I got it. 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 Put it in the garbage.
Okay. Good job. You're having a birthday party for Anne?
This is for Anne.
That's from Anne. It's for Lucy. Anne sent it.
It's Anne.
Mm-hmm.
This is Anne.
It's yours. Anne gave it to you.
No, it's mine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm putting this up. And give it to me.
Mm-hmm.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Put it in the garbage.
Mm-hmm. Good job. Don't put the card in the garbage. Bring the card over so Mama can read it to you. It says, Christmas wishes just for you. A special person, a special day, and that is why this comes your way, with warmest wishes for things a very Merry Christmas brings. Merry Christmas, Lucy. See you when you go to Nan's house. Love, Aunt Anne. What do you think?
Good.
And look, she sent you some stickers too. They're stickers. What do you say to Anne? What do you say to Anne?